Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box. So let's open the box first, and as can you see here in this paper box we have the silicone protective case. So yes, our device comes with the protective case. In my case that's just in the clear one, the silicone one, so that's really good addition to the phone, because you shouldn't buy for the first time the case. So yes, can you see our device comes with a protective case inside the box. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.